Imagine controlling drone swarms like toy soldiers or yanking a book from your shelf without moving from the couch. Welcome to the proxy revolution in mixed reality. Researchers from Google and the University of Minnesota have unveiled a groundbreaking system called Reality Proxy that could redefine how we interact with both nearby objects and distant ones using MR headsets. At its core, this innovative concept acts as a digital puppet master. By combining AI, existing 3D mapping data, and real-time camera input, Reality Proxy transforms your immediate surroundings into a dollhouse-sized version, allowing you to manipulate objects so precisely you could drag a cube over invisible drones or plot paths through a building before taking a single step. But here's where it gets interesting. These virtual proxies aren't just informative, they become interactive, live links to physical objects. The key challenge in augmented reality isn't just seeing digital info superimposed on the real world. Researcher Dr. Mar Gonzalez-Franco explains in her Blue Sky post, but performing tasks with real-world consequences with pinpoint accuracy. Think about picking a specific book from a crowded shelf without getting up, or issuing complex commands to multiple drones by grouping them into zones. The system achieves this through a clever mental switch. You focus on the proxy, those tiny controllable avatars, and it directly controls the real thing. What might surprise you, even partially hidden or occluded objects can be grasped in MR. Imagine marking a coffee mug behind a stack of boxes or selecting multiple objects scattered across a room by zooming out to see their relationships. The system supports multitasking with multi-selection, grouping objects by dragging a lasso, semantic grouping, organizing items by type, all tools versus books, and spatial zooming, shrinking an entire room into a handheld scale model. Skeptics might ask, could fingertip motions replace manual handling entirely? The researchers argue proxies preserve our natural mental model of direct manipulation, meaning you don't need to learn new gestures. Instead, your existing hand movements evolve into more powerful tools. For example, flicking a finger could throw a digital version of a book, which instantly positions the real object in your hand. The system's future applications extend far beyond homes. Architects could prototype building layouts by rearranging dollhouse-sized versions of rooms. Logistics teams might manage warehouse robots by scribbling paths on a scaled-down floor plan. Yet philosophical questions remain. Should virtual shortcuts replace the human experience of physically engaging with objects? As the paper submits to October's ACM UIST conference in Korea, the potential controversy arises. Are we trading physical interaction for digital convenience? Find more details in the preprint PS 45077248 and let us know in the comments. Do you see proxies as the ultimate MR upgrade or a potential dependency killer?